In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide responses on Microsoft Forms. This is a particularly useful skill if you're looking to maintain the confidentiality of the information submitted through your forms, or simply wish to clean up the interface for a better overview of your data. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Microsoft Forms. This can be easily done by doing a quick search online, or heading directly if you know the URL. Once you've arrived at the home page, the immediate step is to sign into your account. This step is crucial as it grants you access to the forms you've created or have permissions to edit. Click on the Sign In button and proceed to input your email address associated with your Microsoft account. After entering your email, click on the Next button. You're then prompted to type in your password. Remember, ensuring the security of your password is vital to protect your data, so make sure it's strong and secure. Once you've carefully typed in your password, click Next, once again to proceed. Having successfully signed in, you're now at the gateway to your forms dashboard. This is essentially the control room for all your forms. From here, you can create new forms, access existing ones, and of course, manage the responses for each. To proceed with hiding responses, you need to select the form you're interested in. Simply navigate through your list of forms and click on the one you'd like to manage. Upon accessing your form, one of the first things you might notice is the array of options available for editing and managing your form. For today's purpose, we're focused on managing how responses are displayed. Look for an option labeled Show Results Automatically. This option, by default, allows respondents to see the accumulated results of the form once they submit their answers, something you might not always want, especially if the information collected is sensitive or intended to be confidential. Clicking on Show Results Automatically will toggle this setting off. This effectively hides the responses from the view of future respondents. It's a simple click, but it's a powerful tool in ensuring the privacy and integrity of the responses collected. Now, while this process is straightforward, it's essential to remember a couple of things. First, settings such as these can always be reverted. Should you decide down the line that you want to allow respondents to view the form's results, you can simply follow these steps once more and toggle the option back on. Second, consider communicating this change clearly if you're conducting a survey or a poll where participants might expect to see the results immediately. Transparency in how you're handling data is always appreciated. Lastly, while hiding responses can be a part of managing your data's confidentiality, remember this doesn't restrict access to the form's admin, that's you. You can still view all responses in detail, analyze them, and export the data for further analysis or reporting. That's all there is to it. You now know how to hide responses on Microsoft Forms, making it a powerful tool in your data management and survey administration arsenal. Whether it's for educational purposes, business inquiries, or feedback collection, knowing how to manage visibility effectively can make a big difference in how your forms are perceived and interacted with. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. For more tips and tutorials, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content like this. If there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, drop us a comment below. Until next time, happy form making.